This is going to be a video product review of the Bob and Brad multifunction resistant band set. Now, if you watch YouTube, you know the famous Bob and Brad. They are incredible. Here's the box. Here is the instruction manual that I'm going to show you in a minute. And here are all the bands in the carrying case. Most companies that sell resistance bands do not give you a workout guide. Bob and Brad give you lots of exercises to do in their workout guide. Look at all of these exercises. On the back, we have descriptions of the color of the bands and the weight and what is included in the package, how to set up the door anchors so that you can use these exercise bands the right way. Look at all of the items you get when you purchase the Bob and Brad resistant band set. We have ankle straps. We have, look at the material. This is a much wider handle than you get when you buy the competition. This is waterproof. This is thick, easy to clean. We have all the different bands over here, and we have a door anchor. This is a really beefy door anchor. Most of them that you buy, they just have a really tiny little ball that goes on the other side of the door, and it's very cheap. This Bob and Brad is a top quality product. Here we have the green, 30 pounds, the red, 20 pounds, 35 pounds for the black, 25 pounds for the blue, and 15 pounds for the yellow. Look at the hooks on these. The nice solid hooks that will clamp onto the handles. As I said, the handles are much wider and more durable. I'm not sure if that's plastic, but that is really solid. This is a very wide handle. It's much easier to use than the other brands that are out there. The hand straps are made of nylon material with a higher texture, so your hand does not slide. The same with the door anchor, a wider band, much better texture, and a much larger piece of rubber that will go on the other side of the door. Same with the ankle straps, so that you're able to attach this around your ankle and attach the band to the metal clip. As you saw, all of this fits in this very easy to carry traveling case. One of my favorite exercises that I use all the time, it's kind of like a butterfly exercise. I know you're supposed to use the handles, and in this case I don't, even though you should. I love doing this. This is just incredible for the chest, the upper shoulders, the upper back. I do this, I'm already feeling it after 5 times. I'm using 2 bands, so I'm able to double up the weight that I want to use. You can do this with more bands. Let me attach this to the handle now to show you how that works. I have the resistance band attached to the handlebars. I will be stepping on the resistance band, and then I can use this for triceps. The manual that comes with this will give you a lot of exercises that you can use. But you can see just by doing this simple exercise, I'm already working my forearms. I don't need to go to the gym. Oh boy, I feel that. I don't need to go to the gym. I don't have to leave my house to do an exercise. I'm able to stay in shape since we are all at home right now. This is a great product to purchase. I want to show you the door anchor. Here we have the door anchor. The door anchor should only be used on the side of the door where the hinges are. Do not use it on the other side. You must have the hinges facing towards you when you set this up. So this is going to go on the outside of the door, and this strap is going to go, you can either put it on the top, you can put it on the side, wherever you can fit it so that you're going to do the workout that you want to do. Let me show you what it looks like. I have the door anchor at the top of the door. I have the strap going through the door anchor. I have the handles on. You're not going to be able to see me do the exercise, but what I'm doing is I'm standing behind the camera, and you can see that I'm able to do this type movement, and this works my upper shoulders, my upper back. This works my forearm, this works my biceps. With your workout guide, you have chest exercises, lower body, abs, biceps, triceps, upper body, and the back. All these different exercises that you can do. This is an incredible product, very well made, reasonably priced. Make sure you check out my video description. I will be leaving affiliate links there. Click on the link, it will take you straight over to Amazon. You can order this product today, have it at your house within a couple days, and you can be working out. There is no need for a gym right now. Make sure that you purchase the Bob and Brad resistant band set.